What if your dream home came in a box and cost less than your rent for the year? Yeah, I'm serious. Container homes are no longer just for edgy architects and Pinterest boards. They're real, ready, and ridiculously gorgeous. And the best part, you don't have to build a thing. In this video, we're checking out the best container homes under $200,000. 1. Trio House, Global Modulars. This might just be the one that caught your eye, just like it did mine. Priced at around $171,900, this home isn't just a box with walls. It's a 2-story setup made from 3 40-foot shipping containers that gives you nearly 960 square feet of indoor space. And what I love most is that it doesn't stop at just being functional. What makes the layout so special is how it uses vertical space. One of the containers is stacked to create a second level, which becomes a private master suite, complete with its own terrace. So while the main floor handles your everyday life with a full kitchen, cozy living area, and guest bathrooms, the upstairs becomes this quiet retreat, tucked away with its own view. And yes, there's also a rooftop deck, perfect for late-night stargazing or lazy Sunday brunches. Inside, it feels more like a traditional home than anything you'd expect from a container. Smooth drywall interiors, waterproof vinyl plank flooring, soft close shaker cabinets, and granite countertops in the kitchen give it that crisp, polished look. The bathrooms are equally done up with fiberglass showers, modern enclosures, brushed nickel fixtures, and marble sinks. But what really impressed me was how this home is engineered for real-world durability. It's hurricane-resistant, has impact-proof windows and doors, and includes insulation suitable for hot, humid climates like Florida. It's also designed with solar readiness in mind, which makes it even more appealing if you're thinking long-term and sustainable. Plus, the pricing includes the foundation and permitting support, which honestly saves you a ton of headache during the setup. Overall, the Trio House isn't just a home, it's a statement. And for anyone dreaming of something different but still practical, this one delivers in every way. 2. The Triple Trio Custom Container Living. When I first came across the Triple Trio, I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting something this impressive to come out of shipping containers. But starting at $199,900, it's built from 3 40-foot high cube containers and offers around 960 square feet of living space. What stood out to me right away was that it includes 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, which is rare at this price point. The layout is super functional. There's an open concept living and dining area that flows naturally into a full-size gourmet-style kitchen. And I mean full-size, not those tiny apartment versions. It comes with granite countertops, sleek custom cabinets, and full-size stainless steel appliances including a refrigerator, range, microwave, and even an optional dishwasher. The kitchen even has a large 5-foot pantry, which honestly is a game changer for anyone who loves to cook or just needs that extra storage space. The bedrooms are impressively well designed. The master fits a king-size bed and features a walk-in closet for that extra bit of luxury. The 2 guest rooms, each around 7 by 12 feet, can comfortably hold a queen bed and include combo wardrobe cabinets with hanging space and drawers. What I really loved was the bathroom setup. The master bathroom has a walk-in shower and double vanities with sleek onyx countertops, while the guest bathroom comes with a tub shower combo and a single vanity. Both are well lit, properly ventilated, and have all the modern fixtures you'd expect in a regular home. And it's not just about looks. The house is designed for real comfort, with spray foam insulation, vinyl plank flooring, and a super efficient mini-split HVAC system. The temperature inside is easy to control all year round.
And then there's the exterior. You can choose between a sloped or gable-style metal roof, and the siding comes in various options. It's fully customizable. Even the little things haven't been overlooked. 3. Cuyahoga Valley, 3-bedroom off-grid dwellings. When I first came across the Cuyahoga Valley, I was honestly shocked at how much thought they'd packed into such a compact structure. For just under $90,000, often even less, it gives you an entire home assembled and ready to go, complete with 3 actual bedrooms. Not just tiny bunks or closets pretending to be rooms, but a real master and 2 smaller ones, plus a full bathroom. The layout feels surprisingly spacious inside its 640 square feet, thanks to smart design choices like defined spaces for the living room, dining area, and kitchen. And I personally love that it comes with a full deck. It kind of extends your living space outdoors, which is perfect if you're someone who loves fresh air like me. What makes this home stand out for me is how it's not just affordable, it's also finished with real quality. Spray foam insulation, dual pane windows, and pre-installed electrical and plumbing lines mean you're not stuck dealing with endless DIY headaches. Plus, knowing it can handle winds up to 110 miles per hour and even Richter scale 8 earthquakes makes it feel safe and sturdy. 4. 40-foot expandable container home CHOMEX. Next up on our list is a charming single-level prefab home priced at $42,599.95. Don't let the simplicity fool you. This one packs in a surprisingly spacious and functional layout that's perfect for easy living. When fully expanded, it opens up to approximately 775 square feet, unfolding from a compact shipping container into a functional 3-bedroom living space. As soon as you enter the home, you're welcomed into a cozy, open-plan area that combines the kitchen, dining space, and living room. The layout makes excellent use of the container's width, giving the impression of a much larger interior. The living area has sufficient space for a sofa and entertainment setup, while the adjacent kitchen area comes pre-finished with basic fittings, a counter, sink, and the plumbing ready for you to add the appliances of your choice. Moving further inside, the house features 3 small but separate bedrooms, each capable of fitting a bed and essential storage furniture. The full bathroom comes pre-installed with a toilet, shower, and vanity, ready to use immediately upon setup. The entire home arrives pre-wired with electrical outlets and lighting, fully insulated for both weather and sound, and includes double-pane windows for natural light and energy efficiency. Once it's delivered and unfolded on site, it takes about an hour to set up, after which it's ready to be lived in. An efficient and turnkey container home built for both comfort and convenience. 5. The Pine Hollow Custom Container Living. Now our final house starts around $144,900. It's built from 2 40-foot high cube shipping containers, and together they create a living space of around 640 square feet. You wouldn't think you could fit much into that size, but somehow this design manages to comfortably hold 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom, making it a great option for small families. Each of the bedrooms is about 7 by 10 feet, which is enough room for a queen-size bed or something smaller, depending on what fits your lifestyle. There's a master bedroom and 2 smaller ones, so if you've got kids, frequent guests, or need an office, it's pretty flexible. Along with the bedrooms, there's a living room that's roomy enough for a full sofa, and it blends seamlessly into the kitchen and dining area. It doesn't feel cramped at all. The kitchen comes fully done up, with painted base and upper cabinets, laminate countertops, and even essential appliances like an over-the-range, a 30-inch electric stove, and a decent-sized fridge, about 10 cubic feet. It's move-in ready, which takes so much stress out of the home buying process. What really stood out to me was the interior walls are done with a smooth shiplap style paneling, the floors are vinyl plank throughout, and even the plumbing and electrical work is pre-installed. They also have a mini split heating and cooling system and a tankless water heater, which I honestly didn't expect at this price point. The bathroom is just as practical. It comes with a 4-foot fiberglass shower, a vanity sink with storage, a toilet, and it's well lit with LED lights and an exhaust fan that vents outside. If you love personalizing your space, you can add a rooftop deck, go solar, upgrade to granite countertops, or even fit in a washer dryer or bunk beds for extra flexibility. It's the kind of home that makes you rethink what tiny living can actually feel like. Cozy, yes, but also modern, complete, and undeniably smart. And that's a wrap on these amazing container homes. If you found any of these homes inspiring, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.